Hi my friends, this is Atif Akbar and you're watching my channel Moon333 where I am posting the trading ideas on cryptocurrencies, forex, stocks and on different assets and also educational stuff. If you didn't subscribe to my channel so far, then do subscribe it for more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. Do remember that the information contained in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice, so please seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. On August 25, I posted the ZRX US dollar video and also posted the chart on 25th of August on my channel. And this was the chart, ZRX US dollar, and this was a 2-week chart. And on this idea, you can see the price action of ZRX US dollar formed a bullish butterfly pattern, and after forming the butterfly pattern, the price action entered in the potential reversal zone. The price action was hitting the support of the Bollinger Bands, and the RSI was already oversold, and the volume profile of complete pattern was showing very low interest of the traders. So I predicted that after the completion of this bullish butterfly pattern, the price action will take the bullish divergence from this potential reversal zone and it will hit the area of AD Fibonacci projection from 0.382 up to 0.786 Fibonacci. On 24th of August, I posted a chart on Tradingview.com, and on 25th of August, I posted the video on my YouTube channel. Now I'm playing the idea, then you can see the price action took the bullish divergence and hit the sell zone and produced more than 75% profit so far. This was a long-term 2-week chart, but this trade gave results in a very short time period after when I posted this idea. After this trade, I've posted another chart, and that was only a 1-day chart where the price action formed a bullish butterfly pattern. Even the price action was forming a bullish butterfly pattern. Sorry, this is today's chart and this is my previous chart. And on this chart you can see the price action was failed to break out this 200 simple moving average and took the drop up to 0.786 Fibonacci. And after that, the price action again took the bullish divergence. The second time the price action was failed to break out this 100 simple moving average. And at that time, the price action was retraced between 0.382 up to 0.886 Fibonacci. So I predicted that the price action will form a Gartley pattern, because after when the price action will drop from here, we had 50 moving average, 50 simple moving average support between 0.618 up to 0.786 Fibonacci, which can be a Gartley's level. The purpose of this idea was to short, but by mistake I just mentioned the long here. In fact, this was a short idea to sell the ZRX. Now when I'll play the idea, then you can see the price action is reversed from this potential reversal zone and entered in this potential reversal zone to give us the chance to take the long position. Now a few moments ago I posted another idea, the same Gartley pattern, which is completed now, and this is the chart I've published almost 15 or 20 minutes ago. Now you can see this is the same Gartley pattern, and at that time when I posted my previous chart, and this was the chart, my previous short position chart, we can see that the MACD was weak bullish, but now the MACD is strong bearish. It is in dark red color, you can see here. And the stochastic is also in bear cross. And I have placed the volume profile on the complete price action of this pattern, and you can see the volume profile is showing that the traders are still interested even below this potential reversal zone. But we have 50 simple moving average strong support within this potential reversal zone, which can help the price action to take the bullish divergence from here. But for secure trade, we should wait for the MACD to turn weak bearish. For example, at this time it is in dark red, So when it will be turned in light or dull red, then we can take the long position or buy, or we can wait for the stochastic to give us the bull cross and then we take the long position or buy. And you can see these are my targets. This is my buying range and these are the sell targets. You can also see these targets in the chart description. So this trade can give us up to 40% profit. I'm also sharing the link of the Tradingview in the video's description. You just need to go to the Tradingview by clicking on that link. And after, when you will be on the Tradingview, like this, you just need to select the people option from this drop down list. And after that, you just need to write in the search box Moon333, which is my username. You will find my link. When you will click on the link, then you will be able to follow my all charts from my portal. I'm also sharing the link of Binance Exchange, which has the largest volume of all cryptocurrencies. If you don't have account on the Binance Exchange, then you should click on that link, and after clicking on that link, you will be on Binance site, and after that you can create your account there and you can start your cryptocurrency trading business on Binance Exchange. Thank you so much for watching the complete video, guys. I will be back soon with more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. Take care. Goodbye.